Hey everybody, welcome back to Yee's Kitchen. I'm so glad you can join me. Today I'm going to be making sesame balls, which is a popular snack throughout Asia. They are typically filled with mung beans or red beans, but I'm going to put a spin on it and fill it with cream cheese and strawberries. I can't wait to see how they turn out. Let's get started. These are the ingredients you will need for this recipe. This will make 20 sesame balls. I am going to make the filling first. Put the cream cheese into a mixing bowl, add the sugar and vanilla extract. Mix until well incorporated. Now scoop the prepared cream cheese into a piping bag. Cut the tip and squeeze it to fill to the tip. Take the strawberry pie filling and lay out one strawberry for each sesame ball on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Squeeze some of the prepared cream cheese onto each strawberry. Place them into a freezer to chill. This will make it easier to handle them later. Next, I am going to make the dough. Add glutinous flour, rice flour, mashed potato flakes, baking powder, and sugar into a bowl. Then mix all the dry ingredients well. Add the coconut milk and water, then mix. Once the dough thickens, use your hands to mix and knead it. The dough must be moist enough, but not too wet or too dry. Take a small amount of dough and roll it into a ball. If the dough ball does not crack when you roll it in your palm, it is perfect. Divide and roll 20 equal-sized dough balls. They should be slightly larger than a golf ball. Take the filling out of the freezer. Pour some sesame seeds into a shallow plate or tray and add more as you need them. Take a dough ball and flatten it. Place a chilled filling piece in the center. Then bring all the sides together in the middle, seal the edges, and roll the ball lightly between your palm. Roll the finished dough ball into the sesame seeds and coat the outside evenly. Then roll in your palm again to ensure the sesame seeds stick well and any loose seeds fall off. Continue the process until all strawberry cream cheese sesame balls are completed. Fill a deep pan or cooking pot with oil. Turn the heat to medium-high and lower it to medium after frying the first batch. Place a wooden spoon into the oil and once bubbles form around the spoon, the oil is ready for frying. Add the sesame balls into the oil one at a time, making sure they do not touch. Stir them occasionally so they do not stick together or to the bottom. Once the sesame balls float to the top, continue to turn them for even cooking. Fry them until they are an even golden color. Take the sesame balls out of the oil and place them into a colander to drain the oil. Dust the finished strawberry cream cheese sesame balls with powdered sugar. Or you can serve it with an ice cream sundae. These are perfectly paired with some vanilla ice cream with strawberry and chocolate syrup. And here we have our finished strawberry and cream cheese sesame balls. You can either have it with some powdered sugar on top or have it plain. And I'm gonna open one up for us. And here we got some strawberry and cream cheese. All right. Mmm. That's good. It tastes like cheesecake. And here you have our strawberry and cream cheese sesame balls. Don't forget to subscribe for quick and easy recipes, and I will see you in the next video.